Welcome to another 5-minute journey travel hacks for a life-changing adventure. Embrace the unexpected. While a loose plan can be helpful, leave room for spontaneity. Detours, unexpected encounters, and unplanned adventures often lead to the most memorable experiences. Learn a new skill, take a cooking class, learn a language, or try a new sport. This can enrich your travel experience and provide lasting skills. If you're looking for a great way to travel that can easily incorporate these as possibilities instead of thinking, how or why would I do that on a vacation? Then try taking a cruise. See some ways to look into cruising in the description or comment with your favorite cruise line. Connect with locals. Immerse yourself in local culture by staying with a local family. Give back to the community and make a positive impact by volunteering. Discover hidden gems and unique experiences with local guides by joining local tours. Ask a local, what is one place around here you think everybody should know more about? Then ask yourself that same question based on where you live and tell us about it in the comments or at www.5minutejourney.com in the share section. Slow down and be mindful. Take time for meditation or yoga to center yourself and appreciate the present moment. Limit screen time and engage with the world around you. Reflect on your experiences and capture your thoughts and feelings by journaling. Don't just look at the Instagram-worthy spots or worry about who wants to see what you're doing. Focus mindfully on you. Challenge yourself. Step outside your comfort zone by trying new foods, visiting unfamiliar places, and engaging in activities that scare you. Embrace independence and self-discovery by solo traveling. Experience the freedom and simplicity of traveling with minimal belongings. Try backpacking, or if you're flying, just use a carry-on and see what new things you learn. I'll talk more about traveling internationally with only a carry-on later. Remember, the most rewarding travel experiences come from stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. Remember also to like, subscribe, and share.